If somebody's calling and they say, "Hi, this is the IRS," do not give any information. Just hang up the phone.
As people are receiving their W-2s in the mail, they're starting to file their taxes. The IRS has a warning about at least a dozen scams.
One of those is fake calls asking for your personal information. Valley News Team's Joshua Peguero has the latest on scams targeting your tax refund check.
The tax filing season is underway. Katrina Thompson of Liberty Tax Service says the busiest time of year is the end of January, when most people get their W-2s from employers.
We don't want to have to deal with the IRS any more than we already do, so.
This isn't Thompson's first rodeo in the tax business. She's seen a lot of scams, and there's one big one this year that caught her eye.
There have been telephone calls that whoever claims to be the IRS asking for personal information.
The Internal Revenue Service is already on top of that scam and nearly a dozen others. It put together a list of the dirty dozen. Most of the scams have to deal with people giving out their personal information.
There is no limit to who's getting these calls. Unfortunately, the elderly do fall victim to it.
The IRS says in 2016 it lost nearly $2 billion on tax refund fraud. Thompson says it seems like every year there's a new scam in Fargo.
Last year, one of the big scams was the prepaid debit cards that are given out. People were receiving fake prepaid debit cards in the mail.
She says people were required to give their social security numbers and addresses just to activate that prepaid card. The IRS says that if it does need to get in contact with you, it would do it via mail. In Fargo, Joshua Peguero, Valley News Live.
The IRS says the number of people who have had their identities stolen has dropped 65% from 2015 to 2017. For more on the IRS's Dirty Dozen, visit our website, valleynewslive.com.
And